Hi guys, this is Anthony, and I want to show you a feature that Instagram has just set up. It's called Quick Replies. Let's go to it real quick. All right, when you're inside of your Instagram account, and you got to be a business account also to get this feature, you click on the bars here, and you go down to the settings, and you go down to Quick Replies. And this is where you can set up your quick replies. Now I already got one that's already set up. It's called followers. And what I did was I just created a quick message for people who are following me. And I don't like to keep doing the same message over and over again. And so this is what quick replies does. So you can create like a shortcut, and you just have followers. And then when you type that in as you DMing somebody, this message up here will pop up for them. So let me show you how to create a quick reply. You just tap on the plus button here, and in the message section you can just type your message. I already got one set up, and for the shortcut I'm gonna do like. And there you go, you just hit the check mark, and now you just created a quick reply. So let's go to and show you how you can use these quick replies in the DM. All right, so I have 14 people who have liked my posts. So let's click on that real quick. All right, let's click here, and let's leave him a message. But we're gonna do it with a quick reply though. So in my DM here, I'm just gonna type in like, and as you see where the button popped up there, I can use my quick replies. So I'm just gonna tap the button, and there it goes, and you just hit send. And that's how quickly and easily it is to use quick replies. Let's try another one. Let's go back. And let's see, I got 32 followers here. Let's choose one of these follows. So I'm going to hit the message button, leave for a follow message. And as you see again, the message popped up. Let's tap that, and there you go. Let's hit send. Now I set her a follow message. So it says, hey, thanks for following me on IG. Let's connect on Facebook. And it's just that easy, guys. So if you are, if you have a lot of followers and you make sure you want to send out something to them to say thanks for following you, or somebody liking your post now, you can just set up a quick reply and just type in the shortcut and then just send it, and that's it. And if you're a company and you're getting a lot of repetitive questions, well, you can set up a quick reply, and that can take care of those questions that you keep getting popping up over and over again. So there's one last thing I want to show you guys, and that is how to delete a quick reply. And let's go to, there we go. So as you're back on the quick replies, you just tap on the quick reply that you wanted to delete, and you just hit the delete quick reply. So you just tap that, and it asks you, are you sure you want to delete this quick reply? You just click yes, and that would be it, and your quick reply will be deleted. Okay guys, I hope that you like this information on the Instagram quick replies, and make sure to drop a comment and let me know how you're going to use these quick replies. All right, see you next time guys. Bye bye.